Hi children, welcome back. Please open page number 11 in your Math Magic 1 textbook. It is NCERT Mathematics textbook for class 1. Okay. In this you see some shapes here. This boy is showing us some shapes. This is round or circle, like a circle, and this is cube, like a box, and this is like a cone, right? And this is a cylinder. So the cylinder, there is a line here, you see, where that is going to, this is going to a battery. Battery looks like a cylinder, right? See, this is a pen, sketch pen, and this is looking like a cylinder, right? You have a cylinder at your home for cooking food that is also in the cylinder shape. And you see, what is this item? This seems to be a flask. Flask is like a cylinder, right? Let us draw a line from this cylinder to this. It is round, right? Round shape. And what else is like a cylinder? This is a brick. This is a cube. This is a circle, round. This is again cylinder. This is some pipe, right? Let us draw a line from this cylinder to this. Yes. And there is one lunch box, I guess. This is also in the cylinder shape. Okay, let us draw a line to this lunch box. Right. And this is gift box, and this is a cone. This is a birthday hat, this is a cone again, and this is a balloon, watermelon. This is a pen or pencil. This is also in the cylinder shape, right? Let us draw a line from here to this pen. Okay. On the left side you see some objects, right? This is a clock, this is a computer. This is a computer, CPU, and this is a database. This is a symbol for the database storage. This is also in the cylinder shape. Let us draw a line from here to this. Okay. And below is the cycle. The wheels are in the circle shape. And this is a floppy. This is in the square shape. Okay, what is the next shape? Let us see. This is a cube. Let us see what is like a cube in our pictures. See here, this is a brick. This is like a cube. Okay, let us draw a line from here to this brick. Okay, what else is like a cube? This gift, you see, this gift is like a cube. Let us draw a line from here to this. Okay. Anything else? This is a brick again. This brick is called a cuboid. Let us draw a line from here to this. Okay. Anything else left? No. Okay, on the left side you see this CPU. This is the CPU in the computer. This is also like a cuboid. Let us draw a line from here to this CPU. Okay. Next, this blue color, this is a circle. Okay, what is in the circle shape? This is a moon, I guess. This is like a circle. Let us draw a line from here to the moon. And you see the ball here. Ball is also like a sphere, like a circle. Let us draw a line from here to this ball. Okay, and what else? This balloon is also like a circle and sphere. Let us draw a line to this balloon from this circle. And you see watermelon here. This is also in the round shape, circle shape. Let us draw a line from here. Yes. Okay, I think we are done with the circles. And the next one is cone. You know, birthday cap you keep, that is in the cone shape, right? This is a birthday hat. You keep a hat on your birthday, right? That is like a cone. And you eat ice cream, that is also in the cone shape, right? Let us draw a line from here to this birthday hat. Okay, and you see this is an ice cream. You draw a line to this ice cream as well, which is cone shaped, right? And there is another cone, blue color cone. You see here, you draw a line from here to this cone. I think we are done. We are done with all the pictures here. On the left side, you see this is a circle. Cycle wheels are like a circle. Let us draw a line from this circle to these wheels. Okay, because they are in circle shape. Okay, this floppy is also three-dimensional figure and it's like a cuboid. Cube. So let us draw a line from this cube to this floppy. This is a cube. Draw a line like this. Okay, we're done. We forgot the watch here. Watch is also like a circle. Let us draw a line from here to this watch, wall clock. Okay. Now we have done the sorting. Sorting means keeping the same type of things in one place, right? And the next down you see make pairs of similar shapes. Let us see what pairs with what. You see this cone is pairing with birthday hat, right? Both are in cone shape. Let us see this flask. It is pairing with this flask here, copper flask. Okay, let us draw a line from here to this. Okay, and let us draw this line also once again, this cone to this birthday hat. Next you see a pipe here. This is matching with, it's matching with candle here. Okay, let us draw a line from this pipe to this candle. Okay, next you see watermelon here. Watermelon is in round shape, right? This flask is in cylinder shape and this flask also in cylinder shape. They are making pairs. The watermelon is round shape, sphere shape, right? This is matching with ball. Okay, let us draw a line from here to this ball. Okay, what is left? There is a funnel here. This is funnel and this is matching with this cone, right? Both are in cone shape. Let us draw a line from here to this cone. Okay, next we have a brick here. It matches with gift here, right? Both are like a cuboids. This is a cuboid. This is also cuboid, right? It's a three-dimensional cube, right? Let us draw a line from this brick to this cuboid gift. Okay, and we are left with this tiffin carrier. Let us see to what it matches. I think this matches with the battery here, as both are in cylindrical shape, right? Cylinder shape. Let us draw a line from here to this battery. Done. We are done. And what is left? Tomato. Tomato is having a small stem here, you see. On the right side you have a balloon. It also has a thread tied to that. It is looking like a stem. Okay, and this tomato and this balloon are looking alike, pairing each other. Pair means two, right? If two things are similar, then they pair each other, right? See, this is a mouse, this is a mouse. Both are pairing each other, right? And this is pencil, this is pencil. Both are pairing each other, okay? This is a marker, this is a pencil. Both pair each other? No. They are in the same shape, but they are different. This marker will pair up with a marker or a thick object like this, right? And pencil, both are pencils and they match each other, they pair each other. This tomato is matching with balloon. Okay? Now turn to the page number 12. Here let us learn about rolling and sliding. This is a slide, right? You play in your school or in any playground, and when you go to the top through this ladder and you yourself come down. How do you come down? You come by sliding, that is sliding. Okay? And suppose you throw a ball from the top, okay, on the surface. How it will come down? It roll and come down, right? It doesn't slide, it rolls and comes down. Suppose this is a marker. If I put it like this, it rolls and goes down, right? If I put a charger, how it will go down? It goes by sliding, right? So here on the left side, this boy is throwing a ball. This is coming down by rolling. Okay? And in the right side, a girl is pushing a brick down. So how the brick will come down? It comes by sliding. Okay? It moves on the surface. It doesn't roll, right? Okay. When you do skating, how do you move? You roll by sliding. Okay, you slide yourself. But the wheels in the skates roll. They round, right? They turn. But the wheels in the skates roll, right? You slide yourself from one place to another place, and the wheels in the skates roll, right? If you push a ball on the ground, it goes by rolling, right? If you push a book on the floor, how it moves? It moves by sliding. Okay? Slide means move like this. Roll means it turns and goes. Right? It turns and goes. Right? Okay, here tell me which objects will roll. If you throw a pencil like this, how it goes down? It goes by rolling. Right? If you throw a ball down the surface, okay, or on the plane surface, how it goes? It turns and goes, right? This rolls. This pencil also goes by rolling. Let us stick. And this ball also goes by rolling. Roll, rolling. And you see there is a butter brick, butter box. How it moves? If I put it here, butter brick will be like this. So if I throw on this surface, how it goes down? It goes by sliding, that is sliding. So we should not take this, as this goes by sliding. Next, you see what is this? This is onion. Onion, if you push it, how it goes? It goes by rolling, right? Because it's a round shape. right? If an object has a round surface, it rolls. If an object has a round surface, it can roll. Okay? If an object has a cube shape or cuboid shape, then it can slide. Okay? So let us take this onion as well, as it can roll. Okay, down you see, this is a vegetable called kira. This is a round shaped, cylinder shape, right? If you throw it, how it goes? It's like this marker. Okay? A bit fat. Okay? But if you throw it, how it goes? It goes by rolling. Okay? So, this rolls and the tomato is round shape. Right? If you put it here, it goes down by sliding. It goes down by rolling. Okay? But this is a box, right? A briefcase. If you put it here, it slides. Like this, it slides. Right? Let us take this. And this is a battery. Battery, you put it here, then what will happen? It rolls down. So we should not take this. What slides among these four objects is only the box, right? You see, this is a book. It's like a brick. Okay? If you move it, how it goes? It goes by sliding. It doesn't roll, right? Okay children, that is all about the sorting and rolling and sliding. Let us learn more things in the next lesson. Bye for now.